love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time was brought the heart to me.
Rosas, yan.
I love you for 1,000
Sayaw.
for 1,000 more.
Next is Mr. Russell Leo.
Ano yun, boss? Picture na sila? Sayaw.
Stay close. You died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid.
Next is Mr. Arsenio Sarmiento.
I believe time will find you. Time has brought the heart to me. I love you for 1,000. I love you for 1,000.
Ay, matitipid ka.
Next is Mr. Kyle
There's
Orcaz.
a song that's inside of my soul.
Okay, dito na.
It's the one that I'm trying.
Sayaw.
Why you sing to me over and over. So I lay
Mark Abad.
to be only yours, I pray. To be only yours, I know. My
Pagay-pagay na naman. Ano ko rin? Hindi mo ba?
when it feels like my dreams all
Next is Mr. Brightson Portion Pula.
Ganado.
Yours I pray, to be only yours I know now. You're my only one. I give you my destiny. I give you all. At the top of my life, I'm giving it back.
Next is Mr. Mark Joseph Francis.
My head down, and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. To be only yours. I know you're my.
Lalo yan. Lumakas. Kapuntaan man sa kapuntaan. Tron yan. Tron. Alam si Tron.
And last, the kids. Thank you very much.
Compress ka! Compress! Walkie, walkie, walkie. Sama-sama walkie, go! Walkie na.
And now we represent his Irish circle of important people of her life. Let us welcome the 18 candles who will share their wishes. Of course, these people will be the ones who will give her inspiring words along the way as she move on to the new chapter of her life, and they serve as her guiding light throughout her life. Please prepare all the 18 candles.
Mas maganda pag nakaupo.
First of all, happy 18th birthday, Kaz. I wish you all the best in life, and I hope that someday you will be able to achieve all of your dreams in life. May God continue to bless and guide you as you enter this new chapter of your life. Always remember that we're always here for you. We love you, and once again, happy birthday.
Iris, happy birthday. You're now a good baby. Good you enjoy. Hope you will be able to achieve all your dreams in life and always stay positive no matter what happens. Just keep your faith strong. Trust the timing. So wish you all the happiness in the world. Happy birthday.
Okay. Okay, action.
So yun, hi Ate Ivy. First of all, happy 18th birthday. Wishing you all the best na sana, lalo na sa career mo, sana maging successful ito balang araw. So yun, always remember that we're always here for you no matter what. Take care always, guys.
Kasi mag-focus ka parang hindi na.
Well, happy birthday,
Yes.
guys. May you have happiest birthday today, and I hope that all your dreams come true. And remember that God always there to guide
Oh.
and to make you special, not only for your birthday, but always. Love you.
Action.
Happy 18th birthday, Ivy. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Tapos sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo, ganun, dreams mo. Dito lang kami para mag-support sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday, Ivy. Happy birthday, Ivy. Sana lahat ng wish mo. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
Hi, Ivy, happy birthday. I hope this day will be the best. Kasi di ba 18 ka na, so dapat, be ready ka sa mga nangyayari. Tapos, ang wish ko sa'yo,
Sabi, walang iyak.
sana ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo sa life. Tapos huwag kang susuko, laban na. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Irish. You're now in the legal age, so wish you all the best of everything. I know that God is always there for you, no matter what. I love you so much, and stay as you are.
Happy birthday.
as you celebrate this day, the day that you can officially call yourself a woman, and I couldn't wish anything else for you. You are beautiful inside and out, and all I am hoping is is for God to give you a guide and to guide your path. Again, happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Be! Still remember yung bata pa tayo, yung naliligo tayo sa sa ilog, ganun. Tingnan ako, oh my God. No, 18 ka na. Napag-iiwanan na ako, ah.
Yun ang mama.
Tagal pang mag-din, oh my God. So, ayun, wish you a happy and fortune life. Sana maging successful ang career mo. Happy birthday, love you, babe.
Irish, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best of life. Thank you kasi naging dito sa kaibigan sa akin. Sana huwag kang magbago. Happy birthday sa lahat. Love you.
Today is your birthday. The day when you meet. The day that I blessed because on that day we became destined to meet each other. You are the friend who always takes care of others. You make us feel special and important. I'm proud to call you my friend and will always. May all your dreams can come true. I love you, Dad. Happy birthday.
Boss, ano po?
Hi, Iris. Happy 18th birthday. Alam, makukulong na tayo. Pwede yun. Happy birthday. So, halos 12 years na tayo magkakaibigan ni Daria. Ayun. Ala, 18 ka na. Nauna ka kasi sa amin. Ikaw na yung mommy namin. So, puro formal yung mga messages nila sa'yo. So, may naalala ako nung siguro mga grade 2 tayo. Sabihin ko ba? Nakakuha ng perfect score sa Irish sa quiz namin. Then ang nangyari, sobrang saya ni ate. Naglalabas, biglang nadulas. Nadulas siya sa sobrang saya ako. Happy birthday, Irish. So, thank you for always being there. Kahit nasa Tarlac na ako, so you're one message away. Then, don't cry, you're so pretty pa naman eh. So, alam ko naman na pag ganyan kaganda, maraming haters, di ba? So, huwag mo na lang silang pansinin. Huwag mo silang pansinin. Isipin mo maganda ako, hindi ko kailangan ituon yung effort ko sa kanila, mga ganun. So, happy birthday! I love you!
Hello, okay lang to. Okay, 18 ka na. So, una sa lahat, gusto kong mag-thank you kasi naging kaibigan kita. Alam mo na sobrang tagal na, di ba? Matami na tayong alam tungkol sa isa't isa. Kaya yun, ang wish ko lang is sana matapos ang pangarap mo at ipagpatuloy mo lang dahil alam kung dyan ka masaya. Tapos, thank you sa lahat ng memories at sana kahit malayo ako, sana malaman mo nandito pa rin ako lagi. Nandito pa rin ako lagi para sa'yo lang. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Mike.
Ivy. Happy birthday, Ivy. Hala, dalapan na siya. Hindi ka nang mag-asawa. Medyo joke lang. birthday dapat. Dapat.
Sabi naman na nila kasi yung mga gusto kong sabihin. Ano? Sana wala mo kakalimutan. Tapos, hindi ako naiiyak. Ano ba?
Tapos sana nga laki kang masaya sa mga gagawin mo sa buhay. You know, God will always guide you kung anong gagawin mo. Do your best and God will do the rest. Happy birthday. Tama na! I love you.
Okay, din na.